Hello viewers, in this tutorial I'll show you how to fix Instagram post add music or add audio option not showing problem. So let's see how to fix it. For solving this problem, first of all go to Play Store. Now click on search bar and search Instagram. From here update your Instagram apps if available any update version. After completing update process, now tap and hold Instagram apps. Now click on app info or I button and open Instagram app info. Now scroll down and tap on storage. Now tap on clear cache. Go back. Tap on force stop. Tap on OK. Now go back to home screen and open Instagram and check your problem solved successfully. If still problem remaining, then follow next step. Open Instagram. Now go to your profile. Tap on three line icon. Scroll down and find help option. Now tap on help option. Tap on report a problem. Again tap on report problem. Tap on include and continue. Here explain your problem. After typing your problem, now send your report. Just tap on send. After sending your report, your problem will be solved very soon. Thanks for watching. Stay connected for more updates.